Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss the topic as industrial automation using IoT. IoT plays a major role in industrial automation. It is used to optimize the technology and it is automated control for industrial automation. In this we are using so many machines, sensors and cloud networks and etc. For using industrial automation for IoT, the efficiency of the process will be increased and the resources, maximization of resources will be increased and the manpower will be reduced and the profit of the manufacturer will be increased. So regarding this, my students will be going to discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of industrial automation using IoT.
I'm Rasika and our GD topic is seasonal advantage and disadvantage of industrial automation in IoT. There are so many advantages and disadvantages in industrial automation, and I'm going to explain about the real-time monitoring and control. Let me take home as an example for the IoT application. There are fan switches, they are controlled by the sensors and actuators. They are also based on the IoT. We can easily control the fans and smart fans and lights through the sensors.
Hello, I am Devaruthi and my topic is about the advantages of industrial automation in IoT. Industrial automation in IoT is the more to reduce the human source and to prevent accidents, because of the more of the humans are used to do industry workers and in the automations to work the dangerous places, and in that of insufficient of to set up the IoT sensors, and it is used to product quality.
Oppose the Jaybalaj's point that he told that the human sources are reduced, whereas for the IoT application there will be an human needed for a higher knowledge about the AI and IoT topics, so that he can manage the resources. There are many problems coming in the IoT automation, such as data overload, time complexity, and many others. So there needed human source which asks for many more than amount that is normal labor needs.
Hi, I'm Latika and I'm going to support the industrial automation IoT because we use sensors here. So this can be handled from anywhere. We can handle the machine from anywhere, and Naveed said that human employment can be reduced, but it can be reduced such that the cost can also be reduced, and I support that one.
I agree with the Latika point. So nowadays more than 10 billion cyber attack in worldwide. So sensors are very sensitive and easy to hack and many data to leak in industrial automations.
Hello everyone, I am Nandini. I support Latika point, but the sensors and the connectivities are high cost. They are difficult for the small business management because the sensors and the connectivity, the implementations or the cost was very high. So the small business mans are not involved in the IoT in industrial automation.
Hi, I am Sarvesh. I am here to talk about the point about advantages of industrial automation. First is it reduces the labor cost, then improves worker safety, improves product quality, and reduces manufacturing time. These are the advantages, and I think the industrial automation is the key to the future development.
So hello everyone, I'm Ritika. So in this industrial automation IoT, it enhances the customer satisfaction and reduce the paperwork and the manual task, and also helps in the maintenance of planning. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anil. I am accepting the point of surveys. Machines can run up to 24/7. So the man can handle up to some time. The man needs some break. Machines don't need a break. So the machines work 24/7. It is helpful for a faster production in automation, industrial automations. We can monitor our industries using the mobile app.
Myself, Shivar, I oppose the other point. Human has more creativity. They have easily adapt to the development, but the automation cannot adapt that. we have to externally update that.
Hi, I'm Dinesh. I'm agree with all these points. When IoT comes, the large data, IoT data were sent to server. It is very complex to analyze the data and other informations. So it's easy to hack. The cyber securities were not running continuously in this in that particular time. So the data loss will occur.
Hello everyone, I am Kanasri and I would like to share some points about how improve safety in industrial automation. Some of the there are IoT sensors that detect the failures and gas leakage, etc. In earlier, and if there is something happens in the machine or sensor, the message was sent by the mobile app to the manager or the worker. This is useful for safety of the humans.
Everybody is talking about the everybody is talking about the protection, precision, and the productivity. But one major disadvantage of IoT is everybody can't afford the sensors. The initial cost is very high. The maintenance cost is also high. So everybody can't afford the cost. So it's also to be considered while you thinking about the IoT. Small industrial workers can't afford that. So it's a very important.
Hello everyone, I am opposes Naveen point because industrial sensors are more cost effective than the human, and also these machines can perform their task accurately compared with human beings. So we can use the sensor for a long time. So it is advantage.
We conclude this topic. As we discussed, we have many advantages and disadvantages, like it is more smarter, more efficient and also responsible. When it comes to advantages, human need can be reduced and in long term, but when it comes to disadvantages, the money that we put into that is the initial cost is high. But when it comes to cost, the initial cost we put is high, but the amount of duration we use that machine is also high. So the cost can be tackled with the amount of period of time we use. So it is mission so that we can be has many disadvantages and also successful implementations. So when it comes to this, the traditional industries into smart